In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Google Sites to Google Search Console. Before we start, a quick overview. Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you see how Google discovers and indexes your site. Connecting your Google Sites project gives you essential data and lets you confirm that Google can access your pages. Have your published site URL ready and make sure the site is publicly visible. First, go to Google Search Console in your browser and sign in with the same Google account you used to create the site. Using the right account matters because it can streamline verification later. Next, look for the option to add a property, then choose URL prefix. You might also see a domain option, but URL prefix is the simpler choice for Google Sites and works perfectly when you want to verify a specific published address. It scopes the property to exactly the URL you enter. Now paste your Google Sites URL and continue. Be precise here. Include HTTPS, copy the full path, and match the exact version your visitors see. If you've mapped a custom domain to your Google site, use that public URL instead. Small differences like a missing slash can cause verification issues. Finally, verify ownership. Search Console will offer several methods. With Google Sites, you won't upload files, so the most common options are the HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or a DNS record if you're using a custom domain. If you already have Analytics installed on the site and you're signed into the same account, verification may complete instantly. If you choose the HTML tag, copy the meta tag provided, add it to your site's meta tags area, publish your changes, then return to Search Console and click Verify. For a custom domain, adding the DNS record with your domain host is also a reliable method. If verification doesn't pass right away, double check that the site is published and public, that the URL in Search Console exactly matches the live URL, and that any tags or DNS records are saved and propagated. Then try Verify again. Once ownership is verified, your property is set up. Data will begin to populate over the next few days, and Google will continue to discover your pages. Keep your site published, update content as needed, and you'll be able to monitor performance from Search Console going forward.